Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my apple crisp recipe. Now I've made this for years, it's a family favorite and it's so easy to put together, and it's made out of apples and oats and has cinnamon and nutmeg, and it is just ooey gooey goodness, and it's nice and warm. It's perfect to have on a cold day, or in the summertime you can have it with ice cream too. So stay tuned for my apple crisp recipe. I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees. So I'm going to peel 5 apples for this, and I like using Empire or Gala apples, but if you like a sour flavor, you can use Granny Smith. And I'm using my handy dandy apple cutter here to slice and core the apples, and then I'm going to dice them up. So here are the 5 apples peeled and diced, and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, and I'm just tossing the apples in the juice and putting it aside. In a separate bowl, I'm adding 2 cups of oats, and I'm using steel cut oats, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of flour, about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3/4 cup of cold butter that I've cut into 8 cubes, and I'm using my hands to work the butter into the rest of the ingredients until it looks like a course meal. This usually takes a couple of minutes to get that consistency. I have an 8x8 baking dish here that I'm brushing with some butter. And unfortunately, my footage for adding the apples to the baking dish was deleted. So I just have to tell you that the apples go in first, and then I add the crumble on top. The apple crisp is going to go into the oven for 60 minutes. And here it is. The apples are nice and tender and not too sweet, but just sweet enough. And the crispy topping gives it a nice crunch. So there you have it, my apple crisp recipe that is sure to be a hit in your home as it is in mine. Now if you make this apple crisp, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, take care.